Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to make an air rifle. This is our air rifle. We have made this air rifle in a new concept. Actually, nobody have done this air rifle in this concept. Before going to start my video, I am going to explain what are the components needed to make this air rifle. These are the components to make our air rifle. Let me explain one by one. This is a pneumatic cylinder. One end is open to atmosphere and I have connected a hose on the other end. And I have made some weld joint to fix the pneumatic cylinder on the wooden piece. I have taken a metal pipe. I got this metal pipe from bike suspension and I have made some angle joints. This is our trigger point. This is the bullet loading point and aiming point. It is a wooden piece. It will give a real look to our air rifle. It is a handle to carry our air rifle easily. Now I am going to assemble all of these parts. First I assemble the double acting pneumatic cylinder by the screw joints. I am using two different kind of bullets. This is paper bullet and this one is metal balls. Now I am loading our air rifle by using this lever. Now I am going to insert the bullet into our air rifle. Now our air rifle is ready for shoot.